How to recover forgotten QUMATIX password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Let's say you are trying to log into your QUMATIX account but you've forgotten the password. So in that case, it is pretty simple to fix this issue. First of all, launch open the QUMATIX app on your device and in the login area, tap on Forgot Password. Enter the email address you have connected with for QUMATIX on the next page and click on Reset Password at the bottom. You'll receive a verification link sent to you on your email. Go check your email inbox. You'll receive an email from QUMATIX, click it open, and then click on Reset Password. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your new password you want to change to for your QUMATIX account. Re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click Change Password, and now your password is changed. Get back to the QUMATIX app and then in the sign in area, enter your email and then your newly updated password and click Login. If you've enabled two-step verification, you need to enter the verification code sent to you via email and after entering it, click Verify. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get access to your QUMATIX account again with the newly updated password. So that's it. You should now be back into your account and ready to go. I hope this guide made the process quick and stress-free for you. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.